Hello everybody and welcome to
Hey kids, let's draw.
Hey Kids Let's Draw. Hi Ava.
Hi.
It's been a while, huh? Are you excited to draw today? What do you want to draw?
A horse.
A horse. Did you know that one of our viewers from Idaho requested us to draw a fun cartoon horse? Because they have a horse at their house that they love so much, and they said, hey, will you draw our horse? So should we do it? Okay. Say thanks for joining us.
Hey kids, let's draw.
And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids
Hello
Let's Draw.
everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw.
We are going to get our black markers and use the pointed tip. Ava's got her black marker right there. Okay. And we are going to draw a horse today. Let's start out with the eyes. Does that sound good? Okay. So draw some small eyes over here on the side of your paper. Clear over on the side.
Right here.
Yep. Can you draw two circles? Two small circles like that. Good. And draw another one right next to it. Good job. And inside those circles, draw two more little circles on the side. And those are gonna be left white. Those are the highlights, huh? So we can color these in black and leave the circles white. These are the fun cartoon eyes of our horse. Ooh, that looks great. Good job, Ava. Nice work. Way to concentrate. Okay, next we're gonna draw the big cartoon face of the horse. So do a bump on the side of the eye and another bump on the side of the eye. Stay close to the eye. Stay close. Come down. Almost like a hippopotamus face. Good job, okay. Let's draw some nostrils. Some big upside down raindrops. Big raindrops, and color those in black. And if it's not perfect, it's okay. We're just having a fun time, huh? Good job. Now over here. Good job. Let's draw some ears. So start here on the bump and go up and down. And then this will be the hair. Big bump and another ear, connect down to the eye. Okay? And look, we can make it some squiggly bumps to make the hair. Now let's draw the neck. The neck's gonna come down and it's gonna go up to the hind leg. And let's draw some hair coming down. Good job. Now let's draw the neck coming down to the leg. Kind of this curve down and stop. We'll draw a big foot. That's the hoof. Can you say hoof?
Hoof.
Is a hoof on a horse, is it soft or is it hard? Hard, huh? So it can climb and walk through the dirt and the mountains, huh?
And it makes a sound.
Like that? Good job. Okay, let's bring this leg up. And we'll bring a belly down. Let's bring this back leg curve down. And a big hoof for the back leg. Goes up. So now while this space is open, we're gonna draw a tail. Does that sound good? Okay, so starting right here, let's bring that tail out and maybe bring it up and stop. Good. This is a hard drawing. Horses are one of the hardest animals to draw. Let's scoot your paper over here, Ava, a little bit. You're doing so good. And let's draw these a foot in the back. So this one's gonna come down. And let's start on the belly. This one's coming down. Bring it down. And a hoof on the back. Good. Bring it down. And a hoof on the back. Connect it to that hoof right there. And there. What do you think? Should we color this? Okay. Well, let's fast forward. We're gonna color our horse brown or pink. What color do you want to color yours?
Brown.
Brown? I want to color mine brown too. And then we'll do a white mark on the face to match the horse from our friend in Idaho. Okay? Fast forward now. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. And don't forget to join us for more drawings and subscribe to our channel if you like what you see. Fast forward.